Hello everyone! Welcome to the Sent Money YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to try withdrawing money from two different apps. Don't skip the video and let's get started. The first app is called AppBonus. You can find the full information about this app in the video linked in the comments. To withdraw our money, we tap the wallet button at the bottom. Then, we choose our withdrawal method, enter our email address, and tap Continue. After we receive this message in our email, we open it and tap the Redeem button. Then, we complete the remaining steps exactly as shown in the video. Once the payment has been sent, we check our PayPal account to see if the money has arrived. And yes, the money has arrived successfully. Now let's move on to the second app. The second app is called Crypto Sense. To earn coins, we simply follow the process shown in the video. You can find the full tutorial in the comments. To withdraw our earnings, we tap on the profile icon at the top and go to the cryptocurrency section. Then, we select Litecoin, enter our FaucetPay wallet email, and tap Trade. The payment has been sent. Now let's check our FaucetPay wallet. The money has arrived! Both of these apps have successfully processed our withdrawals. For more detailed information about these apps, check out the videos on the Sent Money channel. The reason I'm not covering another app in today's video is because I'm currently working on finding better ways to earn money, and I'll be sharing them with you very soon. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.